Hi, I'm Tess.
And I'm Nikki. We're from the Cheyenne Boys and Girls Club. Today our virtual lesson is
Chromatography Butterflies.
What is chromatography?
I'm glad you asked. Chromatography. It's the process of separating different components of a mixture by using a solvent. So, our mixture today is this marker, or a marker. We are going to be using black markers. And black is made up of different pigments. The pigments combine to create the color black. So we are going to figure out what this mixture is in different black markers.
For your materials today, you will need 4 things. You'll need some water. You'll also need a plastic glass or a jar. You'll need 3 different black markers, 3 different brands, any kind of black markers. Then you'll also need some coffee filters. Just those 4 things. Experiment time!
Okay, so to get started, we're gonna start off with our coffee filters. And we have 3 different markers. I know these are Crayola, but they are 2 different kinds of Crayola. One says washable and one just says Crayola. So we're just testing it. We're being scientists. So we are going to, inside of our filter, you see a circle. We're going to go around that very largest part of that circle. And you're just going around that circle. Actually, the more ink, the better. So then you have a big circle, and yours is thicker. I don't think I'm gonna make mine thicker too.
Mine's kind of dying now.
Were the markers dying? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do this one with that marker, yeah. So once you have, make sure you keep your marker with your filter so you can remember which one goes with which.
All right, so the next step is you are going to fill your plastic containers with water. And you don't need to fill them up all the way. So fill them up about halfway, a little less than half. That's about how filled up ours are gonna be.
We just don't want the ink to be in the water. So you don't need very much water.
All right, so once your water is filled,
Come this way, toward us. So it's on, there we go.
you're right. Then once your water is filled, then you are going to add your filters. So what you're gonna do is you're going to fold your filter in half, like a taco. Then you're gonna fold it in half again. So it looks like a triangle or a pizza. Then one more time.
No, because we are thick.
So fold it twice, and then you're going to lay it in your water, but you need to make sure that this black ring right here is not touching the water. It needs to be above your water.
So if you have to adjust the amount of water in your container, you can do so.
Yes. Just like that. And then make sure that you put the marker that you used by that container so you know which marker goes with which. Now we're going to take them out to dry and see what our result looks like.
You just have to lay them flat and let them dry. And you just let them out on a piece of paper towel, something to dry. So what did we figure out?
So when we wrote our little circle with our black marker, all we saw was this black tip, and we drew it on our coffee filter. Then after the water absorbed it, we saw all the different pigments. So this was once black, and now we see all of the different pigments that show up and make up our mixture of our black marker. These are all of our different ones. This is the washable Crayola marker that we did.
So that one had less color. It's more like a green, maybe.
Less pigments, yes. And then this is our just plain Crayola black marker. And there was some red, some green, some blue, and some black.
Now, we're going to make our butterflies. Move our water out of the way. So this is when you use your pipe cleaners. Whatever color you want.
I'm gonna choose a gold one.
I think I'm gonna go with red. Ooh, red.
Beautiful.
Okay, first step is you've got to do the accordion fold. Okay, so now you should have your accordion fold. If you pinch it right in the center, and you can fan out the wings, and you can kind of see where our butterfly's coming in. So you're gonna pinch it in the center and fan it out. Then with your pipe cleaner, you're gonna fold it in half, and you'll see why in a minute, because that's gonna be our antennas. So it's folded in half, and then you're gonna take that and wrap it around like so. So you're just wrapping it around your paper. However many times you want. I went just a couple times because I kind of want long antenna on mine. Then once you have it wrapped, you can fan out your wings, making a really pretty. It's very mothy. More mothy than butterfly, but you get the idea. Then you can curl your antenna, make them cute and twirly. Oh my. And these will hang in, you can hang these in your window. They'd be so cute. Look at that.
Good job.
So we have our chromatography butterflies.